Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about how you can start generating leads on a small budget for whatever business opportunity you're promoting or network marketing opportunity you're promoting, whatever. And before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to it. So here on my screen is a website called My Lead Gen Secret, and this is a service that gives you 100 leads every single day. And the cost for this is only $30 per month. And some people are able to receive 200 leads per day. So you're getting a total of between 3,000 to 6,000 leads in a month for only $30 per month. Now, if you've ever used like solo ads or bought some other type of pay-per-click advertising in order to promote your business opportunity, you know it can get quite expensive. I use solo ads in my business, and you're paying, like, for 100 clicks, you're paying between $40 to $100 or even more just to get 100 clicks to your lead capture page, and that's not including leads, okay? Usually you're getting about 25, 30, maybe 40 leads out of those 100 clicks. So you're spending $40 for 40 clicks. With this system, you are spending $30 per month to receive 3,000 to 6,000 leads, not clicks, leads, okay? So let me show you exactly how this works. Let me log into the members area here. Go into my account. As you can see, I've been in this for less than a month. I think it's been a month so far. Okay, and as you can see, I'm getting 100 leads per day, but I'm also getting 100 bonus leads per day for a total of 200 leads every single day. And that started on my 10th day using My Lead Gen Secret. And the reason that people can get these bonus 100 leads per day is because they introduced My Lead Gen Secret to someone else. That person signed up with the service using their affiliate link, and that's how you get those bonus leads. All you have to do is sign up one person and you're getting 200 leads per day, okay? And you don't have to promote My Lead Gen Secret if you don't want to. It's completely optional. You can just use it as a leads source, and that's how I primarily use it, as a lead source for my main business opportunity and for some other affiliate marketing opportunities I'm in, okay? But I also promote My Lead Gen Secret at first in order to get those 200 leads per day, but I also promote it, just to get enough people signed up to cover the $30 per month cost for My Lead Gen Secret, okay? But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You could just use this strictly as a lead source for your business opportunity. And as you can see, I've been emailing these leads every single day. You can see my open rates, my click-through rates right here, okay? And I haven't done my mailing for today yet. I'll do that probably after this video. I have made a couple of videos already showing how you mail out from the system. They have a mailing system here. Now, before I get to that, I want to show you the leads here. When you click on My Leads, it'll take you to this page, and it'll show you all of the leads that you've received so far. Okay, so as you can see, I started out on September the 29th, so it's been almost 30 days. September the 29th, I started off with 100 leads until about my 10th day on October the 8th. That's when I signed up my first person in My Lead Gen Secret. They're using the service, and now I'm getting 200 leads per day, as you can see here. Now, under Browse Leads, this red eyeball here, when you click on that, it'll show you the information of your leads: their first name, last name, city and state, email address, IP address. All of that information is available to you when you click on that red eyeball. I'm not going to do it because it's going to reveal people's personal information. You can also download your leads if you want to and upload them into a self-hosted autoresponder. And the self-hosted autoresponder is different from like a third-party autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse or SendLane or ConvertKit. You don't want to upload these leads to those because they don't like what are called co-registration leads, and that's what these leads are. These are people who purchase something regarding Make Money Online or some type of business opportunity, and then they opted in to receive more offers similar to what they just purchased. That's what it means by co-registration leads. They want to receive more offers from people regarding business opportunities, Make Money Online opportunities, that sort of thing. So these are cold leads, and you have to warm them up to you in order to make sales. Okay, so and that's the same for whatever advertising you use. If you buy solo ads, people who opt in through your solo ad, they opt in on your lead capture page and they end up on your email list. They don't know who you are, so you have to warm up those leads, allow those leads to get to know you in order to start, converting some of those leads into sales. And the same is done with these co-registration leads. They're cold leads, they don't know who you are, so you have to allow them to get to know you. And you can do that by emailing them every single day. You don't have to email them an offer every single day. You can email, some helpful advice, business tips and strategies that will help them whenever they decide to get into a business opportunity, or if they're already in a business opportunity. Certain business tools that you're using your business, you can show them, you can email them about those tools that you're using and put your affiliate link in there for that. Allow these leads to get to know you. The more they know you, then they'll start liking you, and the more they like you, then they'll develop that trust with you, and that's when they decide whether to join you in your business opportunity or network marketing opportunity or not. Okay, so I just clicked over to the mailing system here, and you don't need your own autoresponder to work with this system. You can use the internal mailing system to email your leads every day. And there are a few tips that I can tell you about regarding these leads, because a lot of people got into My Lead Gen Secret and then they quit within the first 30 days because they're not seeing the results that they were expecting. And one of those tips I just gave you is that you have to warm up those leads so they get to know who you are. Another tip is to email your leads every single day. Don't skip days. Don't wait until you have a certain number of leads. Email your leads every single day, because what I've noticed from my mailings and from other people's mailings is that sometimes you'll get a sale either from within the system, like people joining My Lead Gen Secret or purchasing whatever you are promoting. Sometimes that'll happen like a week or two after you sent the email for that particular offer. So, and there's a way that you can track that. And if you sign up for My Lead Gen Secret using my link, then contact me and you'll get a link to the private Facebook group that I'm a part of. And we're all people who have joined My Lead Gen Secret, and there's lots of tips and strategies inside this Facebook group how to track your sales when using the internal mailing system. There's several free sales funnels that you can use to promote My Lead Gen Secret. There are email swipes that you can use either to promote My Lead Gen Secret or to promote whatever offer that you're promoting or whatever business opportunity you're promoting. Doesn't matter. There's plenty of email swipes in that private Facebook group. There's also information on how to get a self-hosted autoresponder and how to use it with these leads. Okay, you'll get all that information when you join me in My Lead Gen Secret. Use my link. It'll be down below this video in the description area, and then contact me on Facebook. My Facebook information will be in the description area also. Contact me on Facebook and let me know that you joined. Give me your username so that I can look you up, make sure that you did indeed join, and then I'll send you a link to the private Facebook group and you'll get all that information. There's lots of good training in there. I'm using that training and it's helped me to make sales in this. And another tip I want to give you is that when you do a mailing, it doesn't matter where it says choose mailing type. It doesn't really matter how you do this. I usually leave it at mail by date, but what you want to do is you want to select all of your leads. Some people, when they first get started, they make the mistake of just emailing, a couple of hundred leads here, a couple of hundred leads there. You want to email all of your leads. As you can see, I selected all of them. Right now I've got 5,100 leads, okay? And I've been in this system about 30 days, okay? And the send from, I don't think it really matters. I usually send from my name because I want people to get to know who I am. They save your previous emails you've mailed out to your leads. So if you want to reuse any of them, you can do that and just load it up. And I think I'm going to do that this time, okay? So let me show you how that works. I'm going to choose one here. Let's see. I'm trying to find, there's one particular one I wanted to use. And let's see. Right here. Transactions speak louder than words. That's the one I want to use again. Okay, I've used it once. I'm going to use it again. I click the load button and it automatically loads the subject line here and the email itself, as you can see right here. Okay, and I always put a picture. This is another tip. I always put a picture of myself in the email so people get to know what I look like. Okay, it's more personalization there. And then I have the PS, sign up, email me so I can give you the link to the private Facebook group. And then I have my email address. And I also have my Facebook link there too so people can contact me. I'm going to make the font bigger. I usually put it at 16. It's a very readable font right there. Okay, as you can see here. And what I also do is I put it on perfect timing. And perfect timing is just how they're able to predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads. It's the time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on historical activity. Now let me move this up real quick, move it over. Let's see, make this small again. Okay, what you want to do is preview your email before you send it off. Make sure everything works and make sure that your links work. Okay, and okay, what I want to do, I'm going to change these links a little bit. Okay, close that out because I use some type of tracking code on these links. Okay, so let me go to this. I'm going to highlight it and go to the link. I'm going to change this because I have MLGS 1011. That was my tracking link before. I'm going to change it to MLGS 1028 because today is October the 28th. And this URL I'm using is to one of the free sales funnels that is inside the private Facebook group. Okay, so you'll get access to that. You can use this same sales funnel. All right, and let me just give you a brief preview of what that sales funnel looks like. I don't use the opt-in page because these leads are already opted in and you're not going to get too many people opting in again for an offer because they're already opted in. So I just let them go to the sales page directly. So let me click on it. Okay, so this is the page they're going to. Okay, and this is the replicated sales funnel that you can use. Is inside our Facebook group that you can use. Okay, and then this Get Started Now button is going to go directly to the order page with your affiliate link for My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, So that's what I'm promoting today, is My Lead Gen Secret. Yesterday I promoted my main business opportunity. So, I switch it up every few days. So I'm going to go ahead and promote My Lead Gen Secret with this email and this link. Everything looks good. Okay, so I'm going to click on send email. All right, and just wait a moment. Okay, so now it says your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistics page in a few moments. Okay, you can also view it here on the home page. Click on home, and there you see it. Okay, and it's going to go out based on the time that people usually open up their emails individually, whatever. So 5,100 leads are going to receive this email. All right. So that's basically how My Lead Gen Secret works, but let me show you the affiliate program in case you're interested in promoting it. Okay. The compensation plan is really simple. It's a 5-level compensation plan. You earn $5 per month on your first level, $4 per month on your second level, $3 per month on your third level, $2 per month on your fourth level, and $1 per month on your fifth level. And these can really add up, okay? And you also receive commissions on the one-time offer. Let me talk about that real quick. Right here, master email swipes. I think there's like 30 of those master email swipes. They are professionally written, and you can purchase those when you sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. It's a one-time cost of around $30, and if you don't purchase them when you first create your account with My Lead Gen Secret, if you do it afterwards, it's going to cost $60. So I would say get them. If you want to get those master email swipes, get them when you first purchase My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, so it's like $29.95, and it's a one-time payment. All right. Now, and you can earn commissions on those too. Now, there's a weekly superstar bonus that's given to people who are able to refer 5 new confirmed membership sales in a 7-day period, and that 7-day period, the week is 12 a.m. Monday to 11:59 p.m. Sunday Pacific time. So if you refer 5 new paid customers during that week, you get a $100 bonus. And those bonuses are unlimited, which means that right here in this example here, if you refer 25 new paid customers in a week, you're going to receive $500. That's 5 $100 bonuses. And those bonuses can really add up. There's a lot of people that are making some good money with these bonuses, and of course building their downline in this with the affiliate program. Okay, and of course the 100 bonus leads when you just get one person to sign up using your affiliate link, which is right here. Okay, and there are also some additional email swipes that you can use to promote My Lead Gen Secret. All you have to do is click on this link, and it'll automatically import that email into the internal mailing system. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show as far as My Lead Gen Secret. If you're interested in getting started, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. And remember, when you join My Lead Gen Secret, connect with me on Facebook. Okay, I have my Facebook information down in the social media links in the description area. Connect with me on Facebook. Give me your username so I can look you up and make sure that you are in my downline, and I'll send you a link to the private Facebook group where you can get additional training on how to use this and be successful with My Lead Gen Secret. So that's how you can get started generating leads on a small budget, just $30 per month. And there's a $30 one-time payment for the setup fee because they have to set up your account. Okay, so it's going to be a total of $60. If you want the master email swipes, that's an additional $29.95 one-time payment. It's completely optional. You don't have to get it if you don't want to. So $60, $30 for the setup fee, and then $30 per month after that. Okay, so go ahead and get started. Click that link below this video. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.